We're going to unbox this brand new radio from Uniden, the BCD160DN, and there's something surprisingly missing from this box. Let's go take a look. All right, so right away we've got a cardboard box. Let's get this one out of the way. Inside we have a little pamphlet from Uniden. We have a pamphlet from policescanner411.com. We have an English owner's manual in print, which is very nice to see. We also have a French version of the manual. And we've got some cardboard spacers. So let's move this stuff out of the way. All right, in the box, we have our USB data cable, which can also be used to charge the radio. We have a lanyard. We have a set of batteries that came with the scanner. We have our BNC antenna. And we have the radio. Let's go ahead and start opening some of this stuff up. Here's our radio. Our BNC connector antenna. Let's put on the lanyard. And I always replace the batteries that come with my scanner with these. These are the Panasonic Eneloop batteries. These are AA batteries, and you can find them on Amazon. And to make it easier for you, I put a link in the description of this video. And if you use that link or any of the links in the description, you could help support this channel. We have links for the scanner, the batteries, and also the part that's missing that we'll cover coming up now. And again, we're going to swap out these batteries for Eneloop batteries by Panasonic. I always put these Eneloop batteries in my scanners. And of course, we have the USB cable, which can also be used for programming. Missing from the box is one of these. This is the plug that's required to actually charge your scanner. You can use this with the included USB cable that comes with the scanner. Again, this is missing, or you can charge your scanner by plugging it directly into your computer. And of course, the last thing here is the satisfying pull. There we go. That was great. Let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. And there we go. There's our BCD160DN. So again, included in the box, we have the radio, the antenna, the lanyard, a set of batteries, which again, we replaced, the programming and charging USB cable. We did not receive this plug. This we had to buy separately. And of course, we also have our two manuals. We have a Police Scanner 411 and also a Uniden brochure. And there you have it, the Uniden BCD160DN. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because we are going to be putting out more content based around this scanner and other scanner radios. You can check out our BCD160DN playlist, as well as videos on how to program it and our full hands-on review of this radio. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up and let us know you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you in the next one. 73.